we are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing names, pronunciation, including dinosaur names and archaeology names. Stay tuned to learn more. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation in English. Paleontologist. Paleontologist. That's both British and American pronunciation is very similar. Paleontologist in American English, US. Now you know. Remember? Paleontologist. Now you know. Some may say it as paleontologist. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.